preschoolers. It's me, Miss Tiffany. How are you? I've missed you so much. I can't wait to get back to school to see you. Today, I want to read a book. Let's look at my book. Look at the cover. What do you think this book is about? Did you hear that? What is that? You're right, it was a cow. I also see a pig and 2 chicks. What might this book be about? Farm animals, you guessed it. Let's read. This is a cow. She lives in a barn with her spotted calf. She likes to eat grass. What does a cow say? You got it. Can you moo like a cow? Good job. I have something to show you. I have some cows. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at my cows, boys and girls. Can you tell me which 2 cows are the same? You're right. These 2. Look it. These are 2 brown cows. Look, these 2 cows are different. They are spotted cows. This is black and white, and this is brown and white. These 2 are different, and these 2 are the same. Let's keep reading. What is this? You got it, a rooster. He wakes up the farm each day with a loud crow. He lives with hens and chicks. Can you crow like a rooster? Was that you? I just heard a rooster. I want to show you another toy. Look at this. This is a chick. You got it. It's a fluffy chick. And I found his egg. His egg cracked open and out came the chick. You got it. What does a chick say? Cheep, cheep, cheep. Nice job, preschoolers. Let's read some more. I bet you know what this is. A pig. And look it, these are piglets. They're baby pigs. They like to play in the straw and roll in the mud. They have curly tails. Boys and girls, what does a pig say? Let's listen. Oink, oink. Good job, preschoolers. I have some pigs. Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 pigs. Which one is the smaller pig? Where is the baby piglet? Right here. He is smaller than the mommy pig. He is the smaller pig. Great job. Let's read. What farm animal is this? A lamb. Lambs are baby sheep. They like to jump and play. Can you baa like a lamb? Good job. Listen. That sounds just like you. I have some lambs here too. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, look at all of my lambs. Can you tell me Which one is different? This one. Nice work. You found the different lamb. This one is white. Look at the white lamb. These two are gray. Nice finding the different lamb. Look at this farm animal, boys and girls. I see a horse. This is a horse with her foal. The horses are the fastest animals on the farm when they gallop through the fields. Are you fast? I know you are. Look at the horse's pretty mane. What does a horse say? You're right. Neigh, neigh. Who got it right? You could tell me I did. I did. Let's listen. That sounded just like you. Now I have some horses. Look it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, look at all my horses. Find the biggest horse. You got it. Right here's the biggest horse. Now find the smallest horse. Which one is the smallest? This one is. Good job finding the smallest and the biggest horses, preschoolers. We only have 1 page left in our book. It says, now that you've visited the farm, which animal is your favorite? I like that one too. Can you make all of the animal sounds? Let's try. Nice job, preschoolers. What other animals can you find on a farm? Can you find a cat on the farm? What does a cat say? Meow, meow. We can find this on the farm. Can you find a lion on the farm? No, we can't find a lion on a farm. That's silly. Can we find a dinosaur on the farm? No, we can't find dinosaurs on the farm. Can we find a giraffe on the farm? No, a giraffe lives in the zoo. What about an elephant? Have you ever seen an elephant on a farm? That would be so silly. Now, preschoolers, I want you to think, what else can you see on a farm? Next time we're together, I want to hear all about a farm. We'll see you soon.